So in this video, we just kind of want to briefly discuss what a differential equation is. So for the purposes of our course, we're going to have an unknown function y equals f of x. And what we're going to have is equations that have derivatives of y. First derivatives of y, second derivatives of y, nth derivatives of y. And our job will be given an equation that has derivatives of y in it to find the function y itself. So for example, this is a differential equation. This has dy dx, which is the first derivative of y, so we could also write this as y prime, equals 3e to the xy. And what we have is a function where we have the derivative equal to, it's a function of an independent variable x, but it's also a function of y itself. So we have a derivative of y being itself a function of y, the thing whose derivative it is. And in general, what we're going to need to do then is figure out what the function y is. We're going to have a differential equation. We're going to have a derivative, a first derivative, a second derivative, an nth derivative equal to some function of lower derivatives of y and possibly y itself. And our job will be to figure out what y is. So here I have d2y over dx2. So we want to recognize that as y double prime, equaling dy dx, so equals y prime minus 2xy. So here I have an equation, a differential equation that has the second derivative of y. It's a function of the independent variable x, but it's also a function of the dependent variables y prime and y. So we have a function, the second derivative of y, that depends on the first derivative of y and the function y equals f of x itself. And again, the idea is in a differential equations course, you're going to be given a differential equation like this or like this, and our job is going to be to develop techniques to figure out what the function y is that is a solution to the given differential equation.